So one adjective that has changed over the years is minuscule. Minuscule. Okay. It comes from Latin word, Latin, there it is, minuscula. Minuscula, which means somewhat smaller. Yeah, somewhat smaller. Somewhat smaller. Minuscule. So a little bit. But because it sounds, because it means small, and it sounds like the prefix mini, which is small, people assume it is spelled minuscule. Miniscule. Miniscule. They assume it's spelled like that because it sounds like it, and it talks about small things. So they assume it's logical. Minuscule. So miniscule, not minu. Minuscule. Minuscule. So non-standard incorrect changes, which people think are actually correct, slowly enter the language. So errors slowly creep in. Errors slowly creep into the language because people think those errors are actually correct. Okay, yeah, human fallacy, human imperfection. Okay, and sometimes the mistakes are excusable. Oh, it makes sense. Minuscule, mini, small. Okay, mini. Okay, fine. But that's one way. Reanalysis. This is called reanalysis. Words change over time because of misconceptions and misunderstanding of the word. And this is quite a prevalent one. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.